Good morning. Right. Hello YouTube, we are Wally Brooks Gaming and I am Daddy and you are Brooklyn, yes. Right, today we are making a Hot Wheels monster truck track. We have got loads of cardboard prepared. We need to start cutting, sticking, and then painting. We are going to do it all ourselves. It's going to be so much fun, isn't it? So first, let's get all the cardboard and see what we've got to work with. High five. Let's do this. Hi, so we're back guys, and we have got all of this. We've got some big fat tubes. Hello Brooklyn. You okay?
Hello Daddy.
Hello Daddy. We've got some big tubes. We've got loads here, look. Toilet roll tube. So, we're going to get all this arranged and we are going to crack on. So, at the moment, we don't need this. Badonka. We don't need this one. Badonka. Alright, so, we can start with this one. And this is going to be our track. It's long, it's bigger than you, Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Right, so let's put all this down the side here. So, we'll start. What we need to do is turn it over to the back, get it level. And if we get a bit of cardboard here, we could just get the scissors and we'll just get length for that. It's not going to be perfect. And we have this glue gun, but it is very hot and only parents and grown-ups can use this, can't they? So let's do some gluing. This is the quickest and easiest way. Just goes on there like that. And we give it a second. And that will be connected just like that. Let's get some glue in there. Crease there to keep it strong. This glue is very hot and very dangerous.
Wow.
We'll leave that to dry for a second. What's your favourite Hot Wheels car?
Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini? What about monster truck? Which is your favourite monster truck?
The shark one.
The shark one, leopard shark. Mine is test subject. You try it. Test subject. Right, see now that is our base for our racetrack. It looks plain at the moment, but we are gonna decorate it. It's gonna have trees, bumps, everything, isn't it? It's gonna be awesome. Right, let's get to work. Right guys, so here we are so far. It's coming along lovely. What do you think, Brooks? It's awesome. Obviously we've got to do some painting on it. We've got to do some jumps, add some features on it. It's gonna be amazing. Welcome back guys, look at this. It's looking so good. All the frames done. We've got the ramps, we've got the bumps, we've got the start off. Now we just need to go and paint it. Make it look super special. Welcome back guys. We are finally done with the monster truck track. Brooklyn has not seen the final piece, but I'm going to surprise him. Are you excited? Yeah? Right, you need to close your eyes. And stay really still, okay? Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. And open. Whoa! What have we made? Whoa. Right, who are you trying first?
Buttercup.
Mega Rex. And right, go, 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 go. Let's see. We've got the bumps. We've got the ramp at the end. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Awesome! Right, can you have a race with 2? Start them at the beginning. That's it. Start them at the beginning. That's it. Whoa! That was amazing. You trying again? Let Daddy get you one. Oh, test subject. That's my favourite. How do you say it? 3, 2, 1. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What? It got caught on the tyres. That's it. Move them out the way. And try test subject. And who we got? Bone shaker. At the same time, let's see who can win the race. Whoa! Let's see here, you ready? Whoa! Well, I think that was a really good build today. What do you think, Brooks? Was it a fail or a success? Well, that was fun, wasn't it, Brooklyn? Yeah. What was your favourite part of your track?
The jumps.
The jumps. They went super fast, didn't they?
Yeah.
Well, we've got plenty of Hot Wheels. We're going to play with it some more, and maybe we can record a tournament for next time. Yes? Shall we do a tournament?
Yeah.
Yes. So thank you for watching, guys, and join us next time. Until then, bye. Say bye.